Good morning, Sunday morning. Cloud is burning away nicely, sun is coming out. Looks like it's going to be another nice day. Bit chilly, heating's been on for the past 2 hours. So the house is nice and toasty. I've got something to come home to. Nice and warm. Milo's scratching the heck out of the grass. As you can see, there's a shadow forming, so the sun has to be out. Now he's got his own shadow. So 3 more pit stops and 3 more scratches. I'm sure we'll have many more. Tomorrow he's off to the groomers because he's starting to look like a mountain sheep. This is the danger zone where all the dogs tend to do their business. Watch his nose, doesn't linger too long. I don't want to be in the danger zone too long, so I'll give him a little tug. Come on. I thought I could hear footsteps, but it was something playing in my ears. I turned round expecting to see some joggers. No, no, no! He does like them when they're nice and soft. Might look like a fox poo to me. Just kicked another one into the long grass. Don't mind kicking them when they're hard and dry. I'm not kicking someone's wet one. I don't know why other people can't just kick them out of the way if they're not going to pick them up. Saves us all a lot of grief and bad doggy breath. Not to mention anything else they pick up. Just bad manners. Lingering too long again. Come on you. Come on my little monkey. I nearly stepped in one myself then. Not a pleasant one either. It was a diarrhea job. Ugh. It's one for the poor old Tidy Towns volunteers to deal with. They shouldn't have to. But thank God they do. There's poo everywhere this morning. Just kicked 2 more into the long grass. Come Milo! Milo! Come on! There's no dogs. There's a bit of dew in this grass, so he's going to get wet paws, but we'll carry him over the water. Go on Milo! Come on! Go on! When I stop, he stops. I can't imagine what the Sunday morning politics shows are going to be talking about this morning. Maybe it's the Orange Man. The man from Del Monte, or Mar-a-Lago. Come on, Milo. His next shock will be getting a lift over the water. He didn't like being picked up. Oh, we found a football. I bet it's flat. Yes, it's definitely flat. It's probably been in the river for about 6 months. Been sniffing a lot around here. Everything had been out last night. Come on, Milo. Milo. Come on, good boy. Come on. It's going to be a beautiful day. And it really is ripping the grass up. Good boy. We're back. We're back. As soon as I get the camera out, he stops. We're in a different field, same grounds but different field in the grounds, so we've got a new place to explore and sniff. Looking around at all the different scenery. I carried him over the water to keep him dry because the grass is dry, so I don't think I'd want him to get wet. And when I was talking to somebody, I heard a splash. I looked round and he was gone. He was in the water. So I'll come this side now. It'll dry out a bit in the sun and the wind. And he's nowhere near the water. Like I said earlier, he's getting groomed tomorrow anyway. Milo, come on. I can't see what he's sniffing. I'll bring him my way. No. Come on, Milo. Come on, good boy. manifest around here looking for rabbit droppings. You can shout at him to stop, and he doesn't. He actually doesn't do anything you tell him to do unless he wants to. Come on. I think someone's engaging in a riot with their dogs behind us. Can't see anything. You can just hear dogs going mad. Sky is just taken to barking at herself and she sees herself on the television. Very annoying when she sets the others off. Sky sits on the arm of the couch staring straight at the telly, barking at herself. Sun's gone in a bit now and it's cold. Looks like kids are making a camp in there out of old crap. Got Sky pulling one way and Sandy pulling the other way. It's supposed to be a glorious sunny day today. It wants to hurry up and go on with it because it's a tad chilly. And with this breeze it's a bit cold, even beyond what it says on the thermometer. At least when the sun's out it feels a lot warmer than it actually is. As long as you're actually in the sun, that is. I thought a football match had started across the water, or was due to start, when we went out this morning with Milo, but I can't hear anything, so maybe it's not started yet. At least there's no other dogs about over here at the moment. And just as I said that, I think I heard a whistle blow, so they must be getting ready to start. Yep, they are. Come on, let's go. Probably half time. That's probably why I couldn't hear any shouting. Or was half time anyway. There was a football match on the other side of the river yesterday. There's all kinds of madness going on. Fights galore. People taking running kicks at people. Girlfriends running on, trying to defend their boyfriends. and getting beaten up. Don't know what caused that. We're back, heading home. It was a bit too lively over there with all the footballers. Everywhere there's dogs, everywhere there's people. On a nice day, everybody's out. Put it this way, when it's a dry day, everybody's out. There's a lot to be said for floods. When you're the only person with wellies, you don't meet anybody. Hopefully though we've seen the last of the floods until next winter.